How to expand table in Notion. Today, I'll show you how to expand a table in Notion, a quick skill that makes your workspace more organized and tailored to your needs. Start at Notion, and log in. For speed, click Continue with Google, then choose the account linked to your Notion workspace. Once inside, head to the page or workspace where you want your table. Click on an empty text box and type /table. This instantly inserts a table. If it feels cramped, hover over the table's edge until your cursor changes. Then click and drag to adjust the width. To give your rows more breathing room, hover between them, click the line, and drag it down to increase row height. That's it, your Notion table is now resized to fit your project perfectly. Notion is full of customization options, so don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts and commands to make your workspace truly your own.